So just taking a look at this match from Norway with Oslo against HamKam. Don't know much about these teams, but I do know the numbers, and that's the XG numbers there, and HamKam are winning. So they're currently 1.62 to back, 1.64 to lay, and we just got to decide, do we want to go against HamKam? They're an underdog, they're winning this match. Generally, as football traders, we do like to go against underdogs, but we want to get some sort of data-driven conclusion to help us with that decision. And looking at the numbers on this one, the current projected match result is a draw. That is despite HamKam winning. Team goals overdue is 1 in favour of that home team. So that's looking pretty good for us, that the projected match result, despite a team winning, is still a draw based on the XG. And that home team has done more than enough to have at least scored 1 in this match so far. They haven't scored it yet, which could be the opportunity that we're looking for. Okay, so going to get involved, and we're going to lay HamKam, and we are going to look for that overdue goal to arrive. Okay, we're going to look for the correction to happen, and that's the opportunity with XG, is that the data has shown us that this probably should be a draw despite HamKam winning, and also that Oslo should have done, well, they have done more than enough to be on the score sheet. They haven't got on the score sheet yet, but XG, very reliable, often corrects itself, which means they should be getting on that score sheet in the second half. And hopefully, at that point, then we can take a profit. Anyway, let's see what happens in the second half. So we're in the 76th minute on this one. It's still 1-0 to that away team. We can see the XG numbers have updated, and let me just show you how that reflects. So we're still overdue that goal to the home team, but we're overdue a goal overall, and projected match result is still a draw. Now obviously we're still involved laying HamKam, that's still there. Another option is we could lay them further at lower odds, so you could do something like this and kind of go all in. But with a goal overdue to the match, then what we can do is we can back over 1.5 goals. Okay, we are expecting at least another goal in this one, so let's get that in. And what that will do for us, as you can see here, is, look, if we get that goal and to anyone, we are going to make 64 profit. Ideally, if it goes to the home team like we are expecting, then we're obviously going to be able to lock in a profit on the match odds, and it's going to conjoin with the profit on the goal markets. If it is HamKam who score, well, then we should just be in a break-even situation. So anyway, let's see what happens. We're expecting a goal. Ideally, it can go to Oslo, but at this point, we don't mind who scores. Let's see what happens in the final stages. We just hit the 90th minute, and we have had a goal, as you can see. And that is good news for us, as you can see, because we're going to take that £70 of profit. The next question to ask is, who has that goal gone to? Let's take a look. And here we are on the match odds market. It is the equalizer that we were expecting for a very long time, as you know. Anyway, we got there in the end, and we're just going to get this fully locked in. And yeah, we could just try and even that out. So obviously it's going to be around £81 profit locked in, plus the 70 on the other market. So we've ended up with £150 plus of profit. Okay, so that goal came very, very late. We can also take a look at HamKam to see how low their price went. They went as low as 1.13. Okay, so yeah, never in doubt. You saw that we did have that opportunity, or that thought late on, to possibly lay them again at lower odds. Decided to go for the goal market, and well, in the end, we got that profit. Okay, so very nicely done. It just shows that sometimes you might have to wait, but we got there in the end. Okay, out with a profit in Norway. It's 1-1. And if you are enjoying the clips we're sharing on this channel, showing you how you can use that live XG data to find good value football trades, then remember, you can download this free ebook that is on the screen right now to help you learn more about it. Click the link in the description of this video, or you can go to xgfootballtrading.com, or just scan that QR code and we will send that ebook right to you. And you're going to learn how XG data is changing the game for football traders, the main elements of interpreting the XG data to find those profitable trades, and how you can get started with it. As said, to get this sent to you, click the link in the description of the video. If you're watching on a big screen, you can scan that QR code or just go on your phone, footballtrading.com. Put in your very best email address and we will email you the book right away. And keep in mind, what you just saw was a short clip, and we've got plenty more where that came from. The video on the screen now should direct you to the full video where you can get more information and see more similar live trades and how they played out. So go click on that video and we'll see you in that video or in the next clip.